Ok, buongiorno, eccoci qua, la macchina è pronta, sentite il motore che gira e quindi il viaggio per Mykonos sta iniziando. Tutto in ordine, here we are. Like I said before, this time my trip to Mykonos is starting on time. So let's go! This is a trip that I've been doing for 30 years, almost the same every year. I'm leaving, taking the highway that will take me to Ancona. From Ancona we'll take the ferry, which is more or less 24 hours, and will take me to Petra in Greece. And then I will have to drive again, highway, normal road, and whatsoever, to go to the port of Rafina. This time I think I won't have much time to go in an hotel. I don't know what I will do, but I will let you know. As you can see, the weather is a little bit changed, but it's quite nice to look around and see the fog in this beautiful nature. Let me show you. You can see it's looking almost like a paint. Look at that beautiful weather. Anche se c'è un po' di nebbia, comunque la visibilità non è compromessa, si riesce a vedere bene anche a distanza e, come ho detto, il panorama così dipinto è fantastico. I forgotten again to speak in English. So even if there is this fog all around, it's not a big deal because the visibility is not compromised. And on the other side there is this beautiful canvas painted in an amazing way that is a pleasure for my eyes. And the traffic is really minimal and it goes very well. So at the moment all under control and good. Okay, we are arrived here in Ancona Port. Soon, hopefully we will be boarding. The one on my shoulders there, behind my shoulders, is the little boat, mamma mia, that will take us in Greece. I hope it's going to work very well. And yes, this is down there you can see the church, and this is the queue that we would like to do before to be on board. I really am surprised how all these cars can fit in this little boat, but we will soon find out. Look at the boat. It looks like one of these toys. It is always funny to look at the flags moving in the other direction of where they should, if the boat was actually sailing, because the wind from behind is moving. Yeah, this is boat good. That one is quite an interesting stipple. Look at that. At the end is like a snail. Go on. I think maybe you can walk up there. Fantastic. Okay, here we are. We arrived. This is the room, and this is the bedroom. This is how it looks. Well, there's not much to go around, but I've got at least a nice view out of the window. Look at that. And obviously there is also a promising bathroom. Not too bad, not too shabby. I hope the shower is good enough.
Εκπέμπεται από το μεγαφωνικό σύστημα και τη σφυρίχτρα του πύργου.
Well, I have to say, even if the boat is old and smaller than the other, at least they thought about a wonderful touch. I've got a canvas here, just above my bed. Well, the canvas actually worked very well because I slept very well, and now I can face this beautiful panorama. Here we are, coming out of the boat. This is Petra's port, and soon I will be on the road. Welcome in Greece. It is almost 9 o'clock. Soon we will be in Rafina, and there I will have to wait for 7 o'clock in the morning to take me eventually in Mykonos. Here we are in Rafina, and this is an airplane that is gonna land on Marco Athens airport. There is my Land Rover parked, and this is actually Rafina by night. And that one, right down there, is the boat I'm gonna take in the morning. That will take me to Mykonos. That one, it is the island Tinos. We have been stopping there, and now obviously we are heading to Mykonos. The weather, it looks fantastic, but I can see there is no wind, because the sea is not choppy as usually it is. Here we are getting the Port of Mykonos. So soon we will be out. The cars are really packed, like an egg. So it's not easy. I can't get in, I can't open the door, but soon we will be moving. As you can see behind me, the car is there, but the other car is parked right close to it, and I can't move it. So we need the other car car for the last leg of this long journey, and eventually, after starting with the preparation of the restaurant, we will be soon cooking. Yes, here we are. This is the Port of Mykonos. That's a boat. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Nice. Amazing. No other words to use for it. Good for them. Almost out. Almost out. Someone is digging and make a flat piece of mountain for a new building. Those are the roads of Mykonos. Very small, very difficult. I won't change them. Well, maybe a couple of balls less. Oh yeah, they're big. That's a novelty for this year.